Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to hear about the Otherside, which is actually an incredible metaverse that you can actually build and create your own world of NFT, and you can actually be written as the owner of this world and as the creator of it. So if you want to do exactly that, make sure to watch till the end and hopefully you'll create a better world. Please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so welcome to the Otherside. So first of all, what is the Otherside? So the Otherside is actually a gamified interoperable metaverse that is currently under development, and the game blends mechanics from massively multiplayer online role-playing games. And by the way, it's also a Web3 enabled virtual world. Now, think about it. As a player, you can actually own a world. And when you own a world, your NFTs become playable characters, and thousands can actually play together in real time. Like, you can literally click in here on Explore and you can actually see the multiverse that is currently developing. Now, if you will click on each one of them, as you can see, there's a literal universe in here, and you can actually expand, and then you can actually choose one. And when you choose it, so you can actually see a planet, you can actually see a universe right in here, and you can actually click in here and you can actually view it on OpenSea. And when you click it, you can actually see also the other marketplaces. Now, if you want to see it on OpenSea, you can actually just click it and then it will open the page on OpenSea. And as you can see it here, that is actually the other deed for Otherside. And as you can see in here, that the highest offer is over $11,000. And as you can see in here, there are multiple offers in here from multiple people, and you can do that in others as well. Like, as you can see, I can choose that. And then when I will scroll down, I can see it also on OpenSea, and I will see that it's something else. As you can see, 451, and it looks absolutely different. And like, the price in here, for example, is over $9,000. And as you can see, there are multiple offers in here. And also you have more details in here, like the properties, like the stats, and also about the details about the specific contract, the token ID, and stuff like that. Now, also it's on the Ethereum blockchain, as you can see in here, and the creator fees are 5%. And if you want to actually learn more, you can head over to the website by clicking the link down below, theotherside.xyz. And you will see that it's actually a strange new world, and they set to build with one thing in mind. The metaverse should be anything but boring. They never want you to develop something that won't make you want to stay. They want to help you to become in a multiverse, in a metaverse, that you can actually stay always dynamic and move in speed, and that you will have actions with consequences, meaning that it will be like the reality, but better, because it's actually digital. And the other side is actually a part of a galaxy. So I correct myself, it's not a universe, but it's actually a part of a galaxy, and actually with islands extending from the biogrammatic swamp at the center and rolling outwards to the infinite expanses. And as you can see in here, each one of them looks very, very different. Now, if you want to connect your wallet to this website, you can actually connect in here. And as you can see, if you want to buy it now, you can actually click on buy it now, and then you can actually choose to purchase it with a wallet that actually brings you the possibility to actually use the Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, you have MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Wallet Connect. The MetaMask is very, very easy to use. And by the way, you can also connect your wallet in here, the MetaMask, the Coinbase, or the Wallet Connect. In here, it's very, very simple. You click it, and then you put on your Chrome your wallet, and this is mainly it. Now, if you want to see the trailer, you can also click in here. Now, if you have questions, before you ask them on the social media, go to their FAQs. So for example, if you want to mint, so as you can see that when the mint will begin, and then you can actually see what is the mint price, and also you can see the different other questions. Now, if you want to go to their community, they have a huge community on their Twitter. As you can see, you can actually scroll down and click in here, and you will see that currently they have over 200,000 followers, and they have a very engaging community, and some of their posts with thousands of engagement and even more, and parts with less engagement. Now, as you can see, they post very, very frequently, and if you have any questions, you can actually post your questions in here in the comments, and you will probably get answers from their community. Now, also, if you want to learn about your NFT purchase agreement, you can actually click in here, and then you will be able to see the different agreement. And as you can see, that it's legally binding agreement by and between the Vantage Top Group Limited, as you can see in here, and the initial and any subsequent purchaser of this other with defined below, like you as the purchaser. Now, another thing that I wanted to show you is actually the strangers, the visitors from far. You can actually meet the Codas, which is the primal beings that have assured us into the other side. And as you can see, each one of them look very, very different. And we don't know why they are brought us here or what their affinity to this land is, but if you're lucky enough to meet a Coda, you need to treat them very, very cautiously, because as you can see, they're a bit scary. Now, about the resources. So as you can see, their main resources are actually that they have the enema, the ORE, the shard, and the root, which is actually wood, stone, research, and metal. And every piece of the land in the other side nurtures up to those for replenishing resources that you will be able to actually arouse and utilize. And actually, some of them are rare and some of them are less rare. And these are the raw materials that you will use to shape this world, that you can actually literally take part of owning a world, which is literally incredible. Now, about their artifacts. So as you can see, there are very, very beautiful artifacts from a lot of kinds, and you can actually scatter them throughout the lands of the other side, and they are rare objects, and some of which they cannot be crafted by any other means, meaning that if you find an artifact and know what it may hold, like what secrets it will have to this world as it expands, so make sure that you can actually hold it tight, because think about it that way. If you have an artifact, you can actually use it as a tool and to develop an incredible world. Now, about their dynamic NFTs. So every other deed is a dynamic NFT that is built as a collection of all its elements, from resources to Codas. Rather than a static representation of a piece of land, your other deed is actually designed to evolve along with what you choose to do in the game. It's absolutely on your control what you do in the game. And actually, as you can see in here, like there is the icon that represent the sediment of your land, and each sediment has a unique frame that goes with it. And also, as you can see, the dots represent the land rarity tiers from 1 to 5. And also, if your land has an artifact, it will be displayed in here, as you can see. And also, if your land has a coda, so its token ID is displayed right in here, and the dots that are represented resources rarity tiers from 1 to 3 right in here. And also, by the way, the land name and the name of the sediment will be in here as well. Now, you can actually shape the future when you create your other deed, because it's actually a key to help to build a metaverse. And the land owners are creators, and you can actually participate in the demos, in the prototypes, in the test build, and in-person events, and also to take part of contests that actually help to bring the other side to life. So if you want to take part of building a metaverse and actually shape a future in a metaverse, make sure to head over to the website and actually by clicking the link down below and actually read about them and learn how you can actually become part of their incredible metaverse that is currently keep to evolving. So for summary, if you're interested in a strange new world and you want to take part of building an incredible metaverse, make sure to go to the other side and actually read about how you can actually progress in here and actually take part of building a part of a galaxy that has islands, and also that has a lot of interesting stories, and actually become a part of the creators of some of the new stories that has in here, and also become a real creator that creating a world from natural materials, as you can see right in here. And make sure that before you actually start to actually work with the wallet, make sure that you actually learn how to use it, and you can learn by one of the videos that we have in our channel. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.